Hey guys, Emily, and I hope you had a nice Christmas. Just gonna put YouTube in it. I'm doing a review, and I'm gonna tell you what I got for Christmas at the same time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place you guys. So guys, I've got you placed my cash machine what I got for Christmas. So first, I got this Nintendo 3DS. I'm just make sure you can see this. This Nintendo 3DS XL, and I got Scribblenauts Unlimited and a few more games. Because my DS, my old one, went. This is my old DS. It was a small one. And this is my new one. Because I had this one for quite a few years, since I was like 8 and 12 now. So. And I was doing these alien reviews. I got these yesterday with my nan. So this one's a silver egg. So that means it's going to be a silver alien. Take out the slime. I love these so much. I used to have them when I was younger. I used to have about 20. And I don't actually know half of them. This one's a boy because you can see the arrows on its head. And then they've changed the slime recipe because it used to get everywhere when I had it, like all over the carpet. But now it's just squishy. And it's quite fun to play with. Now they've made it so that the colour of the egg is the colour of this. These are adult ones. When I was younger, I had a pink egg. And it had two pink baby ones about up the hill on these ones. Anyway, and they and you get two of them in an egg. And I got two girls. So that's my first alien. It's a silver boy. I love these so much. Next we have a gold egg. The last one had green slime, I forgot to say. And this one's got pink slime, as you can see. And this one is also boy. I need to get the slime off it. And then it will be de-slimed. So this is my boy gold alien. See the arrows in his head. I love these aliens. I literally had 20 when I was younger. I've only got 2 now. I got these from the range for $1.49 each. If you want to get them, then go there. Next, I have some. I'll put you guys in front of me. I have some random Christmas cracker things, like magic tricks, planes. Okay, I'm going to tell you what I got in my first. So guys, Christmas cracker. First Christmas cracker. I got this little crossword puzzle. As you can see, they're all in order at the moment. And I'm watching my new Dinosaur Collection, original Dog Days and Roderick Rules. Pack of 3. We've still got the Doggy Say Christmas. So this is just a slide puzzle. I'm just trying to mess it up a bit because if you want to do it, then you don't want it to be in place. So I'll tell you guys when I'm done. Okay, so now I'm going to solve this puzzle. This piece, if you lose it, then it's pointless.
Seriously, I don't know what happened to these kids over the summer. Was there a nuclear accident? Science experiment gone bad? Thank God there are a few normal people, or this place would be a total freak show.
So I've got the one. I'm just about to bring you two up.
It can be tough to figure out where to sit on your first day of middle school. One bad move, and you're stuck next to some idiot.
So 1 and 2. You guys don't want me to see me do this. You'll be bored out of your mind. Next, I just feel like myself. we have
Remember how I said Rowley was a
this
middle school ready?
yo-yo silver
Well,
one.
there you go.
And if Holly and Millie are watching this
They
video,
messed up. Really awesome.
then I hope you're having a suit-tastic
My
day.
family just got back from Guatemala. It's my serape. Nice, huh?
All right, class, I'm Mrs. Flint. Everybody take your seats. Welcome to your first day of middle school.
This is the
Remember your
yo-yo.
seats. You'll be
It's
sitting
the
here every day.
basic silver
Rowley.
one. But you need to tie the loop on yourself, actually. Pretty good. These are from the expensive Christmas crackers.
Is 200 good or bad?
Next we have this propeller plane, which I'm going to do assembling. And then I've got this magic trick spring. And I'm going to tell you what I got for Christmas. So what you do, guys, is you have this plane, wings, you have the engine, and then you have this thing.
Hygiene issues at least once a month.
I think it's just to hold them together. You push through here, get the propellers in,
Check it out. It's got a hair.
then you push through the back, you put this in. Look at this. It's quite a cute little model. And next we have this magic thingy. I've got a massive magic set for Christmas. And Texas Blue, and it says fun for everyone. And it says it's a solution of how to get this ring, the spring. It says just turn it round.
Why are we skins? I hate this. He's just trying to make kids like us feel bad. What do you mean kids like us? I just don't want to get a summer coat, right, Rowley?
My name is Bamboo Boxing. Once, doors. Okay, let's start off with a little
And
game.
it starts
I like to call
from here. That's a cute little trick. So that's everything you get in there. Now I'm going to be telling you what I got for Christmas. So I got my 3DS XL, a bag, 2 sets of 3 box set films, this book, that pretty pink packaging, Elf on the Shelf, Bunny's my Christmas box, these pajamas my Christmas Eve box, grab machine, some giant teddies too, there's that, 3 bunnies, a Builder and Teddy Bear which I built. I show you the build your own bear teddy. This is your own builder, but I stuffed him. So not really good. He's got an outfit, but I don't really like it for him. And I got some my stocking from Santa, bath bombs and sweets and games. And I can't actually remember anything else I got. So I got too much. Got quite a lot to remember because they're mainly big boxes. I can't remember everything. I got my Christmas doll.
What are you doing hiding?
Yeah.
Avoiding the pain.
And
That starts in middle school.
massive makeup sets.
You're not kid anymore. Cover this stuff. Kids are not
So I did do this in a video, but I didn't post it. So I'm going to be unboxing these 3 things which I haven't actually opened yet. I got these today, and I've just taken the packaging off. That's it. So this is putty. This is slime whoopie goo.
It's where adults put you as you make it out.
So it's a bit dirty because earlier I was carrying it home and it slipped like that and it fell out. Got dirty. And then I got a zombie ziti which is still a bit in the packaging. Guys, this is the labels. I'll see you guys in a minute. We're having fun at the moment. We had a great Christmas. See you guys inside. This is my Elf on the Shelf. And this is my Build-A-Bear, and these are my 3 bunnies. And then that's my baby toy for my newborns. Then I got that bunny behind. And then I got this big dog called Buckley, the big bear called Hugo. And I've already had that big bunny. This is Big Bunny. See you guys after I've gone toilet. So, hi guys. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm doing the unboxing of my bed now with my new pink fluffy blanket. We're just playing on hybrid would be good. My favourite part, so I paused it.
The cheese touch. Nobody knows when or how, but one day that cheese mysteriously appeared on the blackboard. Nobody knew what belonged to it. Nobody touched it. Nobody threw it away. And so there it sat, growing more foul and powerful by the day. Then one day, a kid named Darren Walsh
Zombies
made
are
the
safe.
biggest mistake of his life.
This is
Touch the cheese!
Dr. DK Doctor.
Look at it! Really?
Darren had the cheese touch.
And
It
it
was
looks like
worse than nuclear cookies.
you can take his arms off.
Became an outcast.
I just bought these randomly because I didn't know what they were. I wanted the slime.
Get rid of the cheese touch was by passing it on to someone else. And so began the cheese touch frenzy. Friend turning on friend. Brother turning on sister. It was
So you can take
madness.
their arms off and swap them.
Until
And
a German extremist
so
named Dieter Müller took it away.
you got
Cheese touch.
Dr. DK Doctor card. And it's got a leaflet.
Cheese touch.
Sadly for Dieter, that fact was lost in translation. Thankfully, he moved back to Düsseldorf.
And you put that on.
With him.
in a way.
And so the cheese sits, patiently waiting for its next victim.
And now this is my whipping goo. Welcome to Grotland slime. Seems stretches. It's nice. Yeah. Sorry, I thought I was squealing really well. Who's her?
No drawers? None. I'm not pooping until the
Sorry.
The cafeteria.
And
Possibly the cruelest place on earth. But I was about to make some
see
kids
that
dance
dirt
sitting
in there.
next to him.
That seat's saved.
Really?
It's saved.
And you put your whoopee goo
That
here.
one's saved too.
There is Nick.
So not happening.
You can see it.
Where are
There.
we supposed to
Now
be?
you got me. But this is the putty. So, can't pull it out. This is the putty. As you can see, putty you can't stretch. It's just floppy. Whereas slime, it groups and you can squish it. Can't really break it off. This is what happens if you push it down. Makes farting sounds. But so does this. That's the only thing we have in common. And this one is a bum with pimples on it, and there's a bum hole
So my first day could have gone better.
area.
But at least I wasn't.
There's a bum and there's a hole in it, basically. I'm not trying to be rude. And then you got the marks from where your legs go up and onto your stomach. So you got the bum there, and you got this little hole here as a window. So there's the bum and the freckles, and you got the hole in between it, like I said. And you look through the hole to see the slime. So you know what colour it is.
Come over.
And then we got this book called
See, this is the problem.
British Gardener.
Right now, I can take abuse from these morons. But in 20
Because
years,
I love insects.
one
Says,
year we'll be working.
Dear Emily, Christmas 2016, lots of love, Nana and Grandad.
I really need my niece to get a job street.
In this corner here. It's sweet because they know I love bugs. You've got the contents, you've got trees and shrubs, flowers and grasses, reptiles and amphibians, birds, mammals, bugs. I love bugs.
Seriously,
They've got snails on page 214 because you guys know I've got giant snails.
we'll be stuck
I
on
found giant
the
snail!
rest of middle school.
Look! There's a giant snail in this corner
Top of the food chain by now.
here.
It's gotta change. Fast. My mom told me to be myself and people would like
214.
That would be good advice if you were somebody else.
So we have snail, we have just got these two cages, which I will show you. So you got the buns, and you got photo file, which is a garden snail. That's a giant snail, and it says most snails live in water, but land snails are often found in gardens. Garden snails are quite large and have brown or yellow shells with dark markings. They feed on plants. Sorry, it's marking making it good. They feed on plants usually at night when the soil is damp. Garlic snails are only 6 to 11 meters long. They have a glossy dark brown shells, live in leaf litter and compost heaps, and eat frugivorous plants. These are my penguin nails, a bit of a rainbow. Got large round shells, patterned brown and cream. Shells, 5 spirals. But what they didn't realise is the shells don't have 5 spirals. Garden snails have ones like this. 4 spirals. Giant snails have 5 spirals like this. It's giant snails. Anyway, you've got a fact file.
This thing is like a Bible.
There we go. And you've got a super fact. Snails belong to the same family as octopuses and squid mollusks, so I couldn't read that. The animals have soft bodies and no skeleton. Although some mollusks have protective scales. And you write my notes and pictures, and I can put my giant snail photos in there. And you got stag beetles, wasp, whitefly, woodlice. I love woodlice. So we're going to start from the back and work our way forward. So the first thing is a woodlouse. That's cute in my opinion. So woodlouse curled up. As you can see, scissors, antennas. Yeah, that's woodlouse. That's its photo file. And it says, pale woodlice are able to cut up into balls like hard, glossy upper body. It's like armour and protects us soft body underneath. Super fact. And you got my notes and pictures, which I'm going to enjoy doing. There you go. And then you have this big picture of the woodlouse. Next, you have the whitefly. That's for you to read. That's the actual size. Look at that compared to my index finger. Absolutely tiny. I'll study on these in case you want to read them. And then you got this, and you got the photo file, fact file, super fact. They're attracted to yellow, so gardens sometimes plant. No, it's photos. Next you have a wasp. There you go. Giant picture of a wasp. And at the bottom, after you've done my notes and pictures, you put I've seen feeding, flying in the garden park school field. It's got that on every page. You got this. And obviously you got my notes and pictures. Stag beetle. Snails. Butterfly. Slugs. Looks realistic, but that's a real photo. Next one's nice. Butterfly. Next we have peacock butterfly. So what was the last one? The last one was a red admiral butterfly. And then we have the peacock butterfly. Mosquito. So I was reading the fact. A magpie moth. Ladybug. Or bird. Hoverfly. Cinnamon squirrel. Harvest Moon Spider. I've seen them a lot. I didn't know they could attack. I've held one before, not on purpose. Well, sort of. I held a shield bug as well. That's if I put my foot on it. Garden Spider. Gun spiders have fangs. I have arachnophobia too, if any of you do it on this video. We're nearly there now. Earwigs, earthworms, dragonfly, canefly. Just gonna skip through and choose a random page. Mammals, squirrel. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in tomorrow's video. Merry New Year's Eve. Merry New Year's, I don't know. Happy New Year's Eve. And I hope you had a fantastic Christmas. See you soon, guys.